Meet the new fuel selector switch, 145425152. Designed for Volvo excavators like EC210, EC240, EC290, EC360, and EC460. This robust black switch ensures precise fuel control with its durable plastic housing and clear color-coded wiring for easy installation. Engineered for reliability in tough conditions, it delivers smooth operation and long-lasting performance, making it a must-have for excavator maintenance and upgrades. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to check the price and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert reviews and smart deals. Key specs include model number 145425152, compatibility with Volvo EC series excavators, and a production date of 2019.